Hi guys, this is Dhiren. Welcome back to my channel, The iTech Creator. Guys, you know how to share your smartphone internet to laptop, desktop and other Wi-Fi enabled devices. But guys, in this video, I am going to show how to share your broadband internet without router through your PC or laptop to other Wi-Fi enabled devices. So guys, let's see how to share and setting. For sharing your PC's broadband internet to other Wi-Fi enabled devices like a smartphone, you need this device. This is a USB Wi-Fi device. So guys, plug your desktop. So guys, let's see on the screen how to setting. Install the virtual router or Windows 10. If you use Windows 7 or 8, you can install Windows 7 and Windows 8. You can see guys. You can see here guys, this is my internet, broadband internet. You can see guys, one Android device is connected. Let's see on the smartphone. Now connected. You can browse the you can see guys, the smartphone data is off. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe this channel, like, comment and share.